shoppers, wanted to unbox for you today a Toldear Outlet Extender. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So it looks like there's 4 USB ports, 6 AC outlets. It's got surge protection and is flame retardant. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. Okay, so there's your primary outlet, and here are your 3 USB, and then 1 USB-C. You've got 2 outlets on this side, 2 over here, and 2 over here. So really a nice option. Doesn't take up a lot of space, but lets you plug in all of your devices. So anyway, hope that was helpful. I'll go ahead and put a link to that in the description if that's something that interests you. Thanks for watching.